What was that noise?
It was a bit nervous.
Was that a chicken or was that Paul?
It was Paul.
It was Paul. Okay, good. That's what I thought it was.
It's like, that's kind of the defining moment whether a relationship has legs or not. And so you just cut to the chase,
Hey, listen, if that can happen the first time you meet and then the relationship is still strong after that, I think
it was actually the hawk, just,
It was the hawk.
before people start judging Paul's nervous bowel movements.